This video will show you how to remove and install the 2.5-pound set of inner weight plates. You will need one 3mm Allen. Step 1. Remove the green slider from the back side of the MonkeyFeet Pro. Then separate the inner boot from the weight plate stack. Step 2. Place MonkeyFeet Pro on its back. Start with the left side and loosen to remove the top Allen bolt. Step 3. Rock the MonkeyFeet Pro unit until placed back in the upright position. Shake the unit forward to remove the green nutsert. Do not lose the bolt or nutsert. These parts will be used when you reinstall the 2.5-pound weight plate. Step 4. With the front bolt now fully removed, slide the 2.5-pound weight plate backwards and away from the main MonkeyFeet Pro boot. Place the front bolt back into the 2.5-pound weight plate so you do not lose the parts. Repeat steps 1 through 4 for opposite side. You're all set. Place the MonkeyFeet Pro back into the weight plate stack. Insert green selector into the desired weight and enjoy. Continue watching for the reinstallation of the 2.5-pound weight plates. Step 1. Start with the left side. Make sure the front bolt and nutsert are removed from the side plate. Step 2. With MonkeyFeet Pro in the upright position, slide the 2.5-pound weight plate into place. There should be no gap between the front edge of the 2.5-pound weight plate and the inner edge of the MonkeyFeet Pro boot. Step 3. Rotate MonkeyFeet Pro onto its back. Insert green nutsert into the middle slot on the front edge of the MonkeyFeet Pro. Your green nutsert should look like this. Face the flat-sided part toward the selector slots and drop downwards into the front of the MonkeyFeet Pro boot. If needed, rotate the green nutsert slightly until it slides into the MonkeyFeet Pro. You should be able to notice the green nutsert is in line with the bolt hole on the 2.5-pound weight plate. If needed, you can use the end of your Allen wrench to properly align the holes. Step 4. Begin threading the bolt into the nutsert gently by hand to avoid cross-threading. Tighten the bolt until snug. Do not over-tighten. Repeat steps 1 through 4 for the opposite side. You're all set. Place your MonkeyFeet Pro boot back into the weight stack and enjoy.